Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready to embark on your next big adventure, but trying to keep your environmental footprint to a minimum? Well, stick around, because today I'm sharing my top zero waste packing hacks that will revolutionize the way you travel. First off, let's talk about the basics. Ditch the plastic bags and opt for reusable ones instead. I love using cloth bags for everything from laundry to groceries. They're lightweight, easy to pack, and can be used over and over again. Next, let's tackle toiletries. Solid toiletries are your best friend here. Think shampoo bars, soap bars, and even toothpaste tablets. Not only do these take up less space, but they also eliminate the need for single-use plastic bottles. Plus, no more worrying about liquid restrictions at the airport. Now, onto one of my favorite hacks, packing cubes. These bad boys keep your luggage organized and help you fit more into your suitcase. Look for ones made from sustainable materials like recycled nylon. Trust me, once you start using packing cubes, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Ever thought about your wardrobe? Choose versatile pieces that you can mix and match. This not only cuts down on the number of clothes you need to pack, but also ensures you're prepared for any occasion. And don't forget to pack a reusable water bottle and a set of travel utensils. These small changes can make a big difference in reducing waste. Speaking of food, consider bringing your own snacks in reusable containers. This way, you're not buying single-use plastic-wrapped treats on the go. Plus, it's usually healthier and cheaper. For those longer trips, a portable laundry kit can be a lifesaver. A small container of eco-friendly detergent and a travel clothesline can save you from having to buy new clothes or use hotel laundry services. And here's a pro tip. Always carry a small reusable bag with you. You never know when you might need it for impromptu shopping, carrying souvenirs, or even as an extra carry-on. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect, but to make small, sustainable choices that add up over time. By incorporating these zero-waste packing hacks into your travel routine, you're not only making your trips more eco-friendly, but also setting an example for others to follow. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, hit the road, and make your next adventure a zero-waste one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow wanderlusters. Safe travels, everyone!